To fix the Frigidaire Dishwasher error code ICO, which indicates a drainage problem, follow these steps. First, ensure the dishwasher is properly installed and leveled, as an uneven surface can cause drainage issues. Next, check the drain hose for any blockages or kinks. If you find any, straighten or replace the hose as needed. Also, verify that the drain hose is properly connected to the dishwasher and the garbage disposal or sink drain. Then, inspect the filter and drain pump for any debris or food particles. Clean or replace the filter as necessary and check the drain pump for any blockages. If you find any, remove them and test the dishwasher to see if the issue is resolved. Additionally, check the dishwasher's drain valve to ensure it is not clogged. If it is, clean or replace it as needed. You should also run a cleaning cycle or a hot water cycle to clear any grease or debris that may be causing the drainage issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to check the control board or the drain pump motor for any faults. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the problem. It is also important to regularly maintain your dishwasher to prevent drainage problems. This includes cleaning the filter and drain pump regularly, running cleaning cycles, and checking the drain hose for any blockages. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the Frigidaire Dishwasher error code ICO. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.